Hello friends, thank you for joining this webinar. Sailesh ji will not be able to take the session today. Very sorry for that. Yeah, Bakul ji, we were planning, sir was planning to take the session, but he couldn't. So that is why there's a delay. Very sorry for that. So hi friends, how all of you are? How are you all? Markets are going up day by day. Are you enjoying the ride? Hello, am I audible? We have 115 people with us. Am I audible now? Where will it stop? So nobody knows where will it stop. Okay. So friends, we have a very good topic today: how to select profitable mid-cap stocks for 2021 using QBS and AGS. So friends, have you heard about this word QBS and AGS? Who have doesn't heard about QBS and AGS? किन लोगों ने QBS और AGS के बारे में कभी नहीं सुना? And they are new to this. Okay, Venkatesh ji. Okay, me, Vandana ji. Okay, Suresh ji. New to this, new. So, first of all, यहाँ पे बहुत लोग होंगे who all are investor and some would be our trader. Okay, so for investor, okay, this query is for investors. How do you select a stock to invest in? What is the system, what is the process, or what is the parameter you guys follow to invest in a stock? What is the system you follow to invest in a stock? What is the parameter that you look at? Check the fundamentals. Fundamental is a big word. So what in fundamental? I'm not talking about those who knows about QBS, but those who doesn't have understanding of QBS. Ratios is again a big word. Book value, go okay, great. P ratio is a fundamental ratio? No, it's a valuation ratio. I'm talking about profitability, highest QBS and AGS is okay. Ratios, book value, EPS. What else? What else, friend, do you look at while buying a stock? While selecting a company, what else you look at? Delivery percentage. I'm talking about the delivery percentage, quarterly returns, constant sales growth, CAGR, technical chart, return on equity. Great. There is someone who look at return on equity. So what do you think company should have in it to provide us a great return in the market? What do you guys think? What really drives stock prices? What do you think? Can anybody? What really drives stock market? Volume, EPS, ROE, volume. Okay. What really drives stock prices? Good sales, good profit. Demand, supply, news. Okay. So let me ask you one small query. Somebody said news, demand, supply. If the company doesn't have any sales, then any company can list on stock market. If a company doesn't have product and services, can a company list on stock market? No. So the first criteria to being in stock market, to get listed in the market, is to have sales, to have product, isn't it? To be in a stock market, to list in a stock market, or to start a business, you need to have a product, and product will give you sales, and the ultimate outcome of sales will be profit, isn't it? Those are big word, good moat and all. We are discussing about basic. तो सेल्स, अगर न्यूज आएगा तो सेल्स के बारे में ही आएगा कि किसी और के बारे में आएगा? अगर न्यूज आएगा तो यही आएगा ना कि उसका सेल्स बढ़ने वाला है कल, या फ्यूचर में उसका सेल्स अच्छा होगा। न्यूज किसके लिए आएगा? व्हाट विल फॉर न्यूज कम इन? Will news come for something else? What do we mean by good prospects of the company? What do we understand by good prospect of the company? Anybody? Good prospect. Anybody else? What do we mean by good prospect of the company? अगर हम लोग कोई भी स्टॉक खरीदते हैं and we say we look at good prospect of the company, what do we feel like? What are we thinking about in mind about good growth? Let's be specific. The specific answer Shailendra ji is giving: future sales and profit will go up, consistent profit, increasing sales. Management कल को मतलब अगर आप चाहते हैं कि एक कंपनी है जिसके प्रोडक्ट हैं और जिसका सेल्स प्रोडक्ट का कभी नहीं बढ़ रहा है, घट रहा है, और मैनेजमेंट का बैंक अकाउंट रोज बढ़ रहा है, विल यू बाय दैट कंपनी? फ्रेंड्स प्लीज आंसर. So everything is related to sales and profit. Everything is related to sales and profit. Are we agreeing on this? Then we can continue today's session. अगर हम लोग ये अग्री नहीं करते हैं तो हम लोग कहीं स्टक हैं. Then we are stuck somewhere. Are we agreeing to this fact that the price of stock should be driven by? ये जरूरी नहीं है कि एक ही दिन में ड्राइव करेगा, या कल ही ड्राइव करेगा, परसों ड्राइव करेगा, या सेल्स आने के बाद ड्राइव करेगा, कि सेल्स आने के पहले ड्राइव करेगा, सेल्स जिस दिन आएंगे उस दिन ड्राइव करेगा. टाइमिंग इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. बट हम लोग क्या इतना समझते हैं कि एक कंपनी का प्राइस उसके प्रोडक्ट पे डिपेंड करता है, उसके प्रोडक्ट के वायबिलिटी पे डिपेंड करता है, उसके प्रोडक्ट के ग्रोथ पे डिपेंड करता है, उसके प्रोडक्ट से आने वाले प्रॉफिट पे डिपेंड करता है. आर वी अग्रीइंग टू दिस? एनीबडी हु डजंट अग्री? ठीक है, जो अग्री नहीं करते वो नो भी लिख सकते, कोई इश्यू नहीं है. बिकॉज जो नहीं अग्री कर रहे हैं, इफ आई एक्सप्लेन देम, देन आई थिंक जो अग्री कर रहे हैं, दे विल हैव मोर कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन इट. एनीबडी हु इज नॉट अग्रीइंग? एनी नो? Any knows to this fact that the price of a stock is determined by the growth of its sales and profit, revenue and profit. We agree to this? Okay, we agree this. The company goes up, the price of a stock goes up and down on its profits, on its sales growth. अभी सेल्स ग्रोथ आने से पहले एज वेल एज प्रोस्पेक्ट. ओके सर, प्रोस्पेक्ट्स हैं. प्रोस्पेक्ट्स फॉर व्हाट? प्लीज बी स्पेसिफिक. प्रोस्पेक्ट, कैन यू क्वांटिफाई अ प्रोस्पेक्ट? Prospect is a big word. So more profitability, exactly. Okay, for product that means equals to sales. Sales ना, अरे प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होगा, प्रोडक्ट का प्रोस्पेक्ट अच्छा होगा तो कल को सेल्स भी से बढ़ेगा. ऑर्डर बुक इज नथिंग एज सेल्स. विजय बोरा जी, इज ऑर्डर बुक इज समथिंग एल्स. गुड मार्जिन is profit. So friends, so sales and profit are the two biggest factor to take stock prices up. Now there is a query, big query, कि सेल्स आने के बाद, प्रॉफिट्स आने के बाद स्टॉक के प्राइस बढ़ने चाहिए. प्रॉफिट और सेल्स आने के पहले ही बढ़ जाते हैं. प्रॉफिट आगे, सेल्स आगे, उसके 10 दिन बाद बढ़ेंगे, 20 दिन बाद बढ़ेंगे, 25 दिन बाद बढ़ेंगे, 60 दिन बाद बढ़ेंगे, 100 दिन बाद बढ़ेंगे. डू वी हैव दिस क्वेरी इन माइंड? क्योंकि फैक्टर तो दो ही है, सेल्स एंड प्रॉफिट. बट we only need to do the timing. Is it important, or we don't require to do the timing, or we don't require to do the timing? There are other factors, but this is the biggest factor? अरे सर, स्टॉक मार्केट शेयर आप कब बढ़ाएंगे? अगर प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं है तो मार्केट शेयर बहुत कम है, वो आप इक्विटी की बात कर रहे हैं, छोटी इक्विटी होगी तो स्टॉक बढ़ेंगे या ना? प्लीज सर, दोज आर वेरी डिफरेंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग। कंपनी के पास प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं है और बाजार में मार्केट शेयर ही नहीं है, तो नहीं है तो कुछ दिन बाद एकदम भी नहीं रहेंगे, पूरे जीरो हो जाएंगे। somebody is saying, Deep Rana ji, you are constantly repeating the same thing. Okay, so आगे बढ़ रहे हैं सर। Deep Rana ji, do you understand this? Okay, so now sales and profit are the two biggest factor. Are we following this? Sales and profits. Are we investing in a company? Are we investing in a company which has sales and profit, has a growing sales and profit? Okay, so after sales and profit, return on equity. Why does return on equity become important? Now, after sales and profit, return on equity has a very good importance in driving prices up. Because I will not explain you much about return on equity, would request you to please go on Google and read about return on equity. It's a very great and wonderful thing. On return equity. Return on equity takes prices up. This has been said by a great investor of all the time, who is Mr. Warren Buffett. This has been said by the great investor, Mr. Warren Buffett. Okay. So return on equity is directly related to shareholders' income, shareholders' profit, or the benefit for the shareholders. It's when we invest in a company take that money and use in their product, enhance their product quality, use for their product, and increase sales. That is why return on equity become much more important. It's a funding that we provide to a company to do a business. Return on equity, and what is the return on that funding, we get to know through return on equity. Are we getting this? Okay, so what next? So return on equity. Now, after sales, after profit, free cash flow is the fourth biggest thing. Return on equity, sales and profit, and then cash flow is the very important part in identifying the quality stock. एक स्टॉक तभी बढ़ता है जब ये चार कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत पावरफुल हो। तो फ्रेंड्स, these four combinations are the powerful combination. What are those powerful combinations? Sales, net sales, profit, return on equity, and free cash flow. Now, what does free cash flow do? एक कंपनी ने सेल्स किया 100 करोड़ का और प्रॉफिट किया 20 करोड़ का, 20% का मुनाफा हुआ. The company has made 100 crores of sales and has made a profit of 20 crore, net profit 20 crore. But it has invested, say for example, 25 crore on a particular thing, like buying fixed assets, like machinery buy करने में कोई चीज में लगा दिया. तो ultimately उस year company has a negative free cash flow of 5 crore. Company has negative free cash flow of 5 crore. When company does these kind of thing, like they make profit, but उनकी जो purchases हैं machinery fixed assets से related. Now there are many things which they do. तो fixed assets से related उनका बहुत सारा cost है जो वो वहाँ पे capitalize करते हैं. तो जब ऐसा होता है, जब when the company is not able to save their profits, we need to see free cash flow. That whether the profits जो उन्होंने साल में किया है वो उनके पास रह रहा है कि नहीं रह रहा है. Generally what the company do, जो खराब कंपनियां होती हैं, they show sales, they show profit, and but they do not make, they do not hold profits in their account. They use it for buying a fixed assets. So that is the reason, what happened ultimately, the company's profit doesn't stay with him, stay with the company, and anything bad happen in the market, or whenever markets fall slightly, that stock falls badly, because company doesn't have, जब कंपनी के पास पैसे नहीं रहते हैं उस समय, तो उनके जो कैश है वो बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. That is why you will see the good companies like Infosys and all, they will have free cash flows. They will have positive free cash flow. Are we communicating, friends? Are we communicating? Did you understand? So profit, ROE, return on equity, sales, profit, and free cash flow, if we combine together, is a powerful tool. Sales, profit, return on equity, and free cash flow gives you a great combination, gives you a great understanding that this stock should go up in future. अभी कंपनी एक साल के लिए उसका सेल्स अच्छा हुआ, what happened, can we identify that एक साल किसी कंपनी ने अच्छा सेल्स किया, तो what is the probability that it will go up? अगर किसी कंपनी का एक साल सेल्स ग्रोथ 10% से ग्रोथ हुआ, तो what is the chance that company will go up? If we have 2 years sales growth, then what is the chance that company will grow up? If we have 3 years sales growth, what is the chance that company will grow up? Company's price will go up. More you have number of years, the probability become very high that okay, this company is behaving in a correct trend. कंपनी एक सही ट्रेंड में जा रही है, सही दिशा में जा रही है सेल्स ग्रोथ में, तो इसका मतलब हो गया कि कंपनी आगे बढ़ती जाएगी. नाउ देयर मे बी अ केस जहां पे कंपनी प्रॉफिट में ग्रो कर रही है बहुत जोर. सो दैट इज द रीजन वी एज वैल्यू स्टॉक हैव क्रिएटेड a very great tool which is known as Quality Business Score. So I'll just show you, introduce you guys what is value stocks. Sorry, what is Quality Business Score. Yeah. Yeah, can you see the slide? Can you see this slide? So this is the definition of Quality Business Score, and why it is so important, because it factors in 4 strong fundamental parameters for last 5 years: sales growth, EPS growth, return on equity, and free cash flow. These are 4 powerful parameters on the basis of which stocks are identified. Okay, Quality Business Score. Now, sales provides understanding of company's product and customer satisfaction, whether customers are happy with the product or not. If they are happy with the product, customer will buy more and more. If they're not happy with the product, they will not buy more and more, and the sales will go down. Okay, so sales is very much important. Now, profit, earning per share or profit, provides management overall efficiency to generate for its shareholders. कितना profits कमा पा रहा है अपने product पे. Return on equity, management efficiency against utilization of the capital given by the shareholder and to generate high return on capital. Free cash flow is a kind of, as I said you, it's a kind of audit tool that check whether sales and profit are genuine or just a number. Companies making sales, companies making profit, but it utilizing somewhere else. buying a land, buying machinery, depreciating assets. If company is buying depreciating assets, what will happen? Ultimately, the profit you made is not in your hand. So these four things create a QBS score. So what we have done, we have created a number, a score for each and every stocks. We have created a number, a score for each and every stocks. There are 1600 plus stocks in NSE. There are 1600 stocks in NSE, in which for every 1600 stocks we have provided a number based on these four parameters. So let me show you how the QBS look like. Did you understand, friend? QBS. So anybody who wants to get check of his stock, so we can take 2-3 example of stocks and discuss on QBS. So we can discuss what is the QBS of your stocks. So anybody on chat, any stock that we can see? Okay, so we have Sun Pharma, Larsen. Okay, then we will look at, okay, so we have so many stocks. So let's see first Sun Pharma. So what happened? Every time you guys may be confused that how sales are moving, how profits is moving in a company. Are we? We sometimes get confused that how sales are moving in a company, how profits are moving. So कभी भी friends perfection बहुत कम कंपनियों में होते. There are hardly 7 companies which has a full QBS of 22. The total 100% QBS is 22 number. So what happened? There are companies somewhere sales is driving company up, somewhere profit is driving company up, somewhere company is very efficient in managing fund, but somehow not been able to create that great sales. So that doesn't matter. Overall, a company is a good company. Okay, we'll show you example of QBS 22. So let us check Sun Pharma. So if we take Sun Pharma, the first is know the quality business score of Sun Pharma. If you click this, okay, so the quality business score of Sun Pharma is, immediately you get to know that okay, it's a moderate company. That means okay, we can invest, but we cannot expect a big return in this company. Okay, has a QBS score of 14 out of 22, and there's a definition of QBS. The score between 18 to 22 are winning and great stock, and 15 to 17 are good stock, 10 to 14 are moderate stock, and 9 and below are poor stocks. Now, how did we get this 14 number for Sun Pharma? So this is how we got this. In 2015 and 16, it has shown positive sales growth. So we have given its number 1. We have given its 1 mark. And the EPS, but it failed to make good profit in that year. So we have given 0. Then we have taken average of free cash flow, 2 years average of free cash flow. The free cash flow was positive. So the company got 1 mark. A return on equity was above 15. That means the company, out of our fund, the company management can generate 15% return on equity. So we gave it 1 mark. So in 2015-16, company got 3 mark. Okay. What happened in 2016-17? 16-17 sales growth was 10%. EPS growth was 33%. and there was free cash flow, positive free cash flow. Somehow return on equity was not that good. Company made losses or what? No, company should not have made losses. Need to check this. So they got 3 marks. Next, return on equity was 6. Free cash flow was positive, but EPS was negative and sales was also negative. So company got 1 mark. Okay. Okay, my friends. So what happened in 2016-17, company का growth रुक गया था. In 2017 to 2018-19, कंपनी का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड बहुत ही पुअर हो गया इन फंडामेंटल्स. कंपनीज ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड बिकम वेरी पुअर फ्रॉम 2017 till 2019. सो व्हाट डिड सन फार्मा डिड? क्या हुआ सन फार्मा के साथ बिटवीन 2017 and 18? लेट अस चेक. Let us check what had happened with Sun Pharma between 2017 and 2019. 19 में फिर भी उन्होंने सेल्स को प्रॉपर कर लिया था, but from 2017 to 18, company sales was very poor, EPS was very poor. So let us check what happened to Sun Pharma. So we will be checking Sun Pharma between 2017 to 2018. Okay, 18, and we'll also check 2018-19 में what happened. Company was growing in sales, company was growing in EPS, but it doesn't able to save money, and neither return on equity was greater than 15. And the scenario this year has improved from 1920, where company has sales, company has EPS, company has free cash flow, but return on equity is slightly missing. So अब फिर भी ठीक हुआ है कंपनी में टोटल स्कोर एक साल में बहुत कम रहे. So now it's becoming a good company. From a risky or a poor company, this Sun Pharma is becoming a good company. If anybody knows, I think it's taking too much time for internet to open Sun Pharma. Let me try. Can we see the chart of, are we? So see what happened between 2017 till 2019 in Sun Pharma. So we can take monthly chart. We can take monthly chart of Sun Pharma. So see, it started falling from 2015 even, and in 2017 till 2020 March, the company was not doing well. So company पहले ही गिरना शुरू कर दी थी. The company started falling earlier. So company started falling earlier. So what happened कि जब भी कंपनी का ये तीनों चारों फैक्टर खराब होने लगता है, whenever कंपनी में these four factors are start becoming poor, what happened? The stock prices starts going down. So the reasons are when sales goes down, profit goes down, when return on equity is below 15. But now again, Sun Pharma has started improving. So this is how we calculate QBS. That is 4 into 5. That is 4 parameters into 5 years. That is 20. 4 into 5, 20, and 2 for current growth. So you can see that currently the quarterly growth is also superb, and recently the company started moving up. So it has been moderate. So instantly you get to understand that okay, company is a good company, it's a moderate company, and I can invest in this company. Okay, so QBS provide you a fast solution for your stocks. Now what is next? So next after Sun Pharma we have Laura's Lab. Okay, so we have Laura's Lab. What was the position in Laura's Lab? So we can see. So this is how you come to know the quality of a company. But it is doing well in profits. But the company is doing well in profit. Okay. So see, this is also a moderate company. Why it is a moderate? It's got 13 marks. And in 2018, the company had only sales, but it doesn't have EPS, doesn't have free cash flow, doesn't have return on equity, but has improved drastically in 2019-20. And we all have seen how Laura's Lab has been performed in last 1 year, 1.5 years. So this is how you come to know that okay, this company is, पहले तो हम लोगों को ये पता चल रहा था कि this company is good, moderate company, कि अच्छी है कि नहीं, और instantly we come to know that okay, it started performing recently. In 2015-16 it has only 3 marks, then 2, then 1, then 1, and in 2019 company started doing well. So 22, if you find any score above 15, so what we did then, we started researching in a stock. We started researching on QBS कि अगर मैं कितना QBS लूं कि जो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा रिटर्न देगा. So what we did, what we found on our research is that any company which is having quality business score above 15. So friends, ये चार पैरामीटर हम लोग सब अग्री कर रहे हैं कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वेरी पावरफुल with these four factors. Now out of these four factors, how quickly, क्योंकि अगर मैं एक एक चीज देखने जाऊं, मैं अलग से सेल्स देखूंगा, अलग से प्रॉफिट देखूंगा, अलग से रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी देखूंगा, अलग से फ्री कैश फ्लो देखूंगा, then it will going to take too much time. So what we need to see, we can only see quality business score and decide on buying a stock. Okay, so quality business score above 15 provides you a great stock. So let us see what are the stocks, quality stocks available in mid cap category which has quality business score above 15. So we have this stock screener. If you click on stock screener in valuestocks.in, and there's a quality business score, so we can straight away click 15 and keep it greater than equals to 15. And in market size, we can select mid cap and apply filter and then press OK. We have around 39 companies which has quality business score above 15, which has quality business score above 15. So these stocks are a great stock on fundamental basis. Now there's a role come for the technical analyst now. Okay, most of the people are technical analysts. Now we need to invest in a company that is fundamentally growing and that has capability of giving us a return on our holding. Is it not? Is it true or not? खाली कंपनी के फंडामेंटल अगर अच्छे रहे और मुझे रिटर्न नहीं आती है स्टॉक मार्केट में, will it make any sense? Will it make any sense? Friends, so we have also made a tool which is known as Alpha Generator Score. Let me show you how we have made it. Okay, so what we did, we have taken 20 quarters performance, price performance of each stock. We have taken price performance of each stock for last 20 quarter, comparing it with, comparing the same, comparing the same with the index. So what we did, we have taken 20 quarter, so we have taken 20 quarter price performance of Nifty and 20 quarter price performance of, say for example, Reliance. So in this last 20 quarter, if Reliance has performed better in each quarter, if Reliance has performed better than the index, we provide it 1 mark. The number of time it has performed better than index. Say for example, index has risen 10% in a quarter and Reliance has risen 12%. It has done better 2% than the index. That means it got 1 mark. In this way, if Reliance index has risen 8% and Reliance has risen less than has risen only 6%, then it has not outperformed the index, a benchmark, Nifty. Then we have provided it -1 mark. That means 0. Okay. So we did this thing for 20 quarters. With this, we got to know that okay, the company has potential to perform. It becomes the chance. The chance become very high for a company to perform well in price. The company is very good in giving good return, price performance. Okay, the history suggests that company will do very well in price performance. So what we did it for 20 quarters. Okay, so let us see for Reliance. So the fundamental is done. Fundamentals are on the basis of QBS. Now we are going for a technical. So there was a Sun Pharma. So how Sun Pharma is doing in returns, whether it is going to give return or not. Let us see that. So the alpha generator score is A. That means in last 20 quarter, company is not been able to generate good return. In 20 quarters, company is not been able to generate great return. Okay, and so what happened? अगर कोई कंपनी लॉन्ग टर्म में वैल्यू नहीं क्रिएट करे, प्रॉफिट्स क्रिएट नहीं कर रही फॉर इन्वेस्टर्स, वी नीड टू कीप अ स्ट्रॉन्ग आई कि हम लोग का इन्वेस्टमेंट तो अच्छे स्टॉक्स में हुआ है, बट हालांकि सन फार्मा इज नॉट अ ग्रेट स्टॉक, सो बट हम लोग का इन्वेस्टमेंट तो अच्छे स्टॉक्स में हुआ है, लेकिन हम लोग को रिटर्न्स हो सकता है अच्छा नहीं मिले कंपनी में. So how can we check this? So generally we take the AGS above 13. कोई भी कंपनी जिसका AGS 13 and above है, we try to take that. Okay, so what we can do now? So we have found good fundamental stocks. We have found now we will check that in this good fundamental is whether these companies are capable of giving good return in future or not. So AGS will help you to get good return in future. प्राइस बढ़ने में, आपके स्टॉक्स के प्राइस बढ़ने में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगी, बिकॉज पास्ट में दैट कंपनी हैज क्रिएटेड गुड रिटर्न, कंपनी हैज बीन परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल अगेंस्ट द बेंचमार्क. वो हर बार इंडेक्स से ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म करती है, गिरने में कम गिरती है, बढ़ने में ज्यादा बढ़ती है. So let us see. So we have got 15 as a QBS and AGS above 13. So if we apply and we take universe as mid cap, so if we apply this, so पहले हम लोगों के पास around 39 stocks आए थे. Now we got only 9 stocks. That means out of 39, only 9 stocks are doing well. Okay, अभी this is returns, fundamental with history is okay, but somebody who want a quick money, fast money, और जो अभी कंपनी जो बहुत strongly चल रही है, अगर हमको चाहिए, तो what we can do, we can also check the companies which are doing well in last 3 quarters. अगर कोई कंपनी last 3 quarter में benchmark को beat कर रही है, people might be very happy with the return of 20%, 10%, 15%. बट अगर आपको पता चलेगा कि निफ्टी अपने खुद ही 25% रिटर्न दे रही है क्वार्टर में, और आपने 10% कमाया उस क्वार्टर में, देन द हैप्पी दैट यू आर हैप्पी विद कि क्या भैया गिरने में निफ्टी जब 15% गिरती है तो हम लोगों के स्टॉक 40-40% गिर जाते हैं, लेकिन बढ़ते वक्त जब निफ्टी बढ़ती है और अगर 25% बढ़ रही है, हम लोग 10% में खुश हो जाते हैं. दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम विद द इन्वेस्टर. सो वी नीड टू बी वेरी क्लियर इन माइंड दैट हमारे स्टॉक्स ऐसे हम लोग को स्टॉक चुनने हैं जो बढ़ने में ज्यादा बढ़े बेंचमार्क से, निफ्टी से, और घटने में कम घटे निफ्टी से. तो एजीएस आपको वहां हेल्प करता है. तो क्यूबीएस ग्रेटर देन 15, और अगर हम लोग को रिसेंट परफॉर्मर्स पकड़ने हैं, जो कंपनियां मोमेंटम में ऑलरेडी हैं, दोस कंपनीज व्हिच आर इन मोमेंटम राइट नाउ, इफ यू वांट टू कैच देम, देन वी कैन टेक लास्ट 3 क्वार्टर में which are the stocks, which are the companies doing well. So generally अगर 3 क्वार्टर में, 2 क्वार्टर में अगर स्टॉक्स परफॉर्म कर रही हैं रिसेंट क्वार्टर में, that makes very good decision of investment. So we can select mid cap, we can have alpha generator score, yeah, and alpha generator score में we can have at least 2 होना चाहिए 3 क्वार्टर में, and QBS 15. If we apply this, click OK, we'll get 36 stocks. Earlier, we in 20 quarters we had only 9 stocks. If you take above greater than equals to 13, but in recently जो stocks चल रही हैं, ठीक है, we got around 36 stocks. और जो कंपनियां कंटिन्यूस अच्छा कर रही हैं, if we go to take that, अगर मैं इसको 3 ले लूं कि हर लास्ट 3 क्वार्टर से बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं वो कंपनियां मिड कैप में, so this can also be, तो 36 stocks ही रह जाते हैं हमारे पास. So the average return in last 2 years is 100. If we look at 1 year return is 60%. So you are beating benchmark. You will be beating benchmark every year. So friends, अगर आपको mid cap में अच्छे stocks खोजने हैं, so in my suggestion, you should go for companies with has QBS of above 15. So your headache for checking fundamental goes away, because QBS will do that, will solve that problem of yours. QBS has a power to solve the problem related to fundamental. Okay, the quality of a company is provided. That is why it has been named as quality business code. So any company above QBS 15 is a powerful company. Okay, now the quality will only not help you, because see, there is Coal India, there are PSU companies, such few PSU companies, some PSU companies who we all know, we say is a quality company, but अगर वो price performance में नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं, what is the benefit of being so quality company? ठीक है? So if you are looking at 20 quarter AGS, go for 13, at least 13 and above होना चाहिए out of 20 हर बार benchmark को. But mid cap में you guys can use 3 quarter AGS, that is equal to 3 or equal to 2 you can keep. कि कंपनी लास्ट 3 क्वार्टर में 2 क्वार्टर आउटपरफॉर्म कर रहा है इंडेक्स को, that means company has got some momentum. So friend, this 37 stock can be a great stock for investment in mid cap. So you guys can write the names, or you can take a picture of these 37 stock. Please take the picture of this stock, 37 stock. These are great companies in mid cap. Scrolling down. So QBS and AGS is a solution for fundamental and technical. फंडामेंटल और टेक्निकल इतने ब्रॉड और इतने कंफ्यूजिंग हो चुके हैं कि एक नंबर में अगर उसको डिफाइन करना है तो QBS and AGS is a solution. Okay friends, so friends, those who have, because there are so many people who have asked so many queries on उनके पर्सनल कंपनीज के बारे में उनको जानकारी चाहिए कि उनका QBS कैसा है, AGS कैसा है. So friends, for doing that, you please register 1-to-1, book your free 1-to-1 training with us, where my friend, my colleague will help you with knowing what is QBS, what is AGS, how to use QBS, how to use AGS, and so आपके stocks के बारे में आपको पता चलेगा कि उनका QBS कैसा है और AGS कैसा है. Will it be interesting for you, my friends, knowing QBS and AGS? Okay, so please join this 1-to-1 session. This will help you a lot. Okay, ये session आपको बहुत help करेगा in knowing what is QBS and AGS in detail. ठीक है, because we have only 1 hour, because in book 1-to-1 session you can even ask queries face to face. So I'm just sending you link of this 1-to-1. On chat. You guys must have received SMS and email this link. So please register, friends. this one-to-one session, and you will get to know much about QBS and AGS. This is innovative and powerful tool not available anywhere else right now, and this can help you in knowing quality of a company. हम लोगों को लगता है कि ये कंपनी का क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है, बट उसमें अगर सेल्स ही नहीं है, प्रॉफिट्स ही नहीं है, तो व्हाट टू डू विद द क्वालिटी? So that is the reason we need to know QBS of every stocks, and only invest in companies that has QBS equals to 15 and above 15. Please register for one-to-one session. Thank you friends for joining the session.